An introduction to common online business models. Now that you understand the various sources of income, I will now outline a number of popular business models that people are using to generate income online. I have divided the types into passive and active business models. Passive income relies on producing content, such as articles or videos, and adding monetization, where you wait for the visitor to take action to generate income for you. Active business models are where you target specific potential clients and you work to sell them products or services through advertising and promoting through special interest groups or forums. Being active is also where you publish content promoting a specific product. As with all things online, here are many opportunities to combine these business models, producing a successful hybrid and hopefully the next big thing. We will start with passive business models. Sell adverts or banners. Once you have started getting traffic to your website, it is quite possible for you to offer the possibility to other businesses to place their banners or text adverts on your website for a fee. This method of creating income could take some time to establish, and selling advertising is not the easiest thing in the world to do. There is also some discussion about the effectiveness of banners, as quite often people will overlook them, because they are seeking specific content on your website. It is probably more likely for people to pay attention to banners if they relate very closely to the content on the page. One place where you can obtain multiple product banners, allowing you to choose precisely what type of products you are advertising, is to join the Amazon.com affiliate program. You can join here, affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Google AdSense. Another option for finding a wide range of advertising that you can include in your website is the Google AdSense feature. One of the benefits of this facility is that Google will read the content on your page and deliver the most relevant advertising for the content. Once you open an account, you can obtain special code that you can put in certain places on your web pages, and if people click on the advertising, you will then be paid. Open your account at google.com/adsense/start. YouTube adverts. If you are planning to publish a lot of video content, you will find that YouTube offers you the option to enable advertising to be shown before, during, and after your videos. This is an optional feature, and I must point out that the money paid per advert view is actually quite small. In order to make anywhere near a decent amount of money per month, you may be looking at creating 500,000 to 1 million views of your videos. As you will imagine, this number of viewers can take some time to generate, and it is debatable whether the viewer's experience is harmed by the advertising. You must also consider that you are looking for viewers of your content, and if they click on any of the adverts, they will be going away from your channel. A better use of YouTube is to offer content that promotes various products. You must remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet. YouTube is also owned by Google, so videos rank very well in the search engines. Donations. It is very straightforward to use PayPal to set up single and recurring donations. I have seen donations work in several situations. Of course, in the case of raising funds for charity or non-profit organizations, the use is obvious. If you are a charity or non-profit, you will be using your website to sell the various merits of your campaign and providing information for people to fully understand what you are trying to achieve. The other business model where I have seen this working is where you are providing valuable free information and content. You will find that if you are helping people improve their life and lifestyle, they will be more than willing to donate various sums to support your efforts. You should make your donation buttons very obvious on your website pages and have them available next to all content. Do not be afraid to request donations in your content, audio or video presentations. We call this a CTA, or call to action. Find out more here, paypal.com/donate/buttons. Just click the cross in the top right of the notice to view the page.